Hey guys. Hey guys. Oh, Tyler here. I've been hearing strange noises all night. I couldn't sleep last night. So today I'm gonna be reviewing this weird noises from this door. I've been hearing things like whoa and ah. So we're gonna see. Oh my god. Holy shit. What the fuck? What the fuck is that? Holy shit, you guys see that? What the fuck? Holy shit. Oh my god. Guys, I'm scared. Oh god. Holy shit. Oh my god. Holy shit. You guys see that? Oh my god, you guys see this shit? Oh, it's a toast sandwich. Right. I rate this toast sandwich like 5 skeletons out of German 6 grandmas. Good. Whoa.